ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the one and only JJ Balaya.
इतने बेहतरीन कपड़े पहनकर तो एक प्रिंसेस की तरह जो कपड़े हैं पहने हैं मैंने, आज तो एकदम प्रिंसेस की तरह फील कर रही हूँ. Indian Idol I was on, then I've traveled, I've done so many shows, I've been doing a lot of appearances, I'm walking the ramp. So it's been a very, very busy year for me, and I couldn't be more thankful. I think I've got a lot of work done professionally and personally as well. I think I've had a lot of time to grow as a person as well. So I'm very fulfilled with the year that I've had. For me, style icons would be Rekha ji, जो हमेशा she's so effortless और इतने सालों से उन्होंने अपने स्टाइल को बरकरार रखा है. एक मतलब जैसे वो लगती है and you know that it's Rekha, this is मतलब you know it's her. So she I think is a very, very great style icon.